What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to take a look at Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 69 cents, almost 70. Sitting at up 2% on the day. Seeing market cap of 6.53 billion. 24-hour volume 336 million. So if we hop into the charts, we have broken the wave 3 high. We were looking for that wave 5. We got back above the 4-hour EMAs, pushed back up into the pattern. That's what we're looking for. We can break down from here, but if Bitcoin decides to put in one more higher high, then you could see a little bit more push up for Matic, potentially to about 75 cents before getting rejected and seeing a wave 2 pullback. So we push up in a wave 1, pull back in a wave 2, see continuation. This is a rising wedge pattern. If we pull out the trend lines, you could just see it as a channel, but usually leading diagonal will form a rising wedge just like this. So I do think we'll either break down from here or push a little bit higher in the 5, roll over and see a pullback in a wave 2. All right, gang. So we are holding back above that 20 EMA as I've shown previously, pushing up in a wave 1 off the low, pull back in a 2, see continuation to the upside. I will drop in a target zone shortly when I have more confirmation that we're starting to come down in the wave 2. Ethereum has done everything it needs to put in the wave 5. We have bearish divergences on the money flow on the RSI on the 4-hour. We reached a perfect 618 extension. If you take a trend-based fib extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4 to measure your wave 5, you can see we met a perfect 618, which is typical of a wave 5. Now, of course, we can break a little bit higher, potentially up to about 2K before rolling over. But if we do start to break down from this ascending broadening wedge, that's when we can start to see a larger pullback in a wave 2. If we were to pull back from here, then our target zone would be in between 1789 and 1688 for a wave 2 pullback. And that's where we'll look to potentially open up another trade, or where I'll give a signal for my Discord members for a long. We just locked in juicy gains on a Bitcoin trade. It's only $10 a month for my signals, same price as a Big Mac meal, and it won't kill you nearly as fast. If you're getting value out of this video, make sure to smash the like button. It goes a long way for the YouTube algorithm. We're watching this inverse head and shoulders on Ethereum. Now, I don't think it's going to push all the way up to the target. I think it's more likely going to be a little bit of a fake out to the upside. We broke the neckline, but then we roll over and we come back down. That's why I don't trade patterns. And basically you push up in a wave 1, pull back in a 2, see continuation. We are watching that massive inverse head and shoulders. I do think we will continue up to the target of 2537. So that's what we're looking at for Matic and Ethereum. If Matic breaks down from here, we start to lose the wedge once again. Then we can start to pull back in the wave 2, but it does look like Bitcoin could potentially push a little bit higher. So the wave 2 pullback zone from here, if we broke down from here, in between 60 cents and 55 cents. And then if we push a little bit higher to about 75 cents, then it would just adjust the target zone a little bit, but not too much. So that's what we're looking at. We are currently still in 3 trades. As I mentioned, we just locked in a juicy Bitcoin trade on 2x leverage, and it's only $10 a month. You can sign up to the Patreon, sign up to Bit or Bybit, do the majority of my trading on Bit, up to 30K in bonuses, on Bybit up to 8K in bonuses. There is a special additional bonus if you email me or sign up email after you're making your first deposit to one of the exchanges, and then sign up to the Patreon. $10 a month for my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, HODL, all plays, Forex signals and analysis as well. As I mentioned, we just locked in those juicy gains on BTC, and we're in 3 other trades at the moment, and we're in some Forex trades as well. And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.